Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable SafetyNet Play Integrity check in Android apps, complete guide step by step clearly. To enable SafetyNet or Play Integrity checks in your Android application, begin by ensuring you have a Google Cloud project. Next, access the Google Cloud Console and create a new project if you haven't already done so. In the project dashboard, navigate to the API and Services section in the left sidebar. From there, click on Library to explore the available APIs. Search for the SafetyNet API and click on it. Once on the SafetyNet API page, click Enable to activate the API for your project. After enabling, return to the main dashboard and select Credentials from the left menu. Click on Create Credentials and choose API Key from the drop-down menu. Once your API key is generated, copy it to your clipboard for later use. Now, integrate the SafetyNet API or Play Integrity API into your app by modifying your app's build.gradle file. Add the necessary dependencies for SafetyNet or Play Integrity to your app's build.gradle file under the Dependencies section. Sync your project after making these changes to ensure the new libraries are included. Next, implement the relevant client library in your application code. If using SafetyNet, create an instance of SafetyNet client. If using Play Integrity, initialize the Integrity Manager. Set up the necessary code to request a SafetyNet or Play Integrity verification in your app. Handle the callback to process the verification response. Depending on the result, decide how to proceed based on whether your app has passed or failed the integrity check. Make sure to test the implementation thoroughly to verify its functionality. Finally, deploy your changes and monitor your app to ensure the integrity check is performing as expected. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.